You should get it!
Tayo'y sumayaw, ako'y ng tagumpay. Tingin ng puso, taas noo, sabay-sabay. Diwa ng palaro, laban ng may puso, palaro pagbansa.
Ayoko naman na ikaw ay masaktan. Ramdam ko ang pakiramdam na nahihirapan. Kaya naman ayoko lang iparamdam sa iyo.
Into the street and began to dance uncontrollably in 1518. She danced for days without stopping, and soon others joined her. Over 50 people were swept up in the bizarre dancing frenzy. The dancers moved with such intent.